Ready to unlock higher conversion rates and bigger sales by offering your customers the flexibility they crave? Then let's dive right into how to add Afterpay to your Stripe account. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Next, navigate to the Settings. Find the Payment Methods section, usually located under Settings or Payment Methods. Click on it. Here, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Scroll down or search for Afterpay. You should find Afterpay listed among the available options. Click the Activate or Turn On button next to Afterpay. Stripe might ask for some additional details to complete the activation, such as your business category or contact information. Fill out the required fields accurately. Once activated, the status of Afterpay will change to active. You may see a Manage or Configure button for further customization. Now make sure to thoroughly test the integration in test mode before going live. Process a test transaction to ensure everything works smoothly. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Afterpay into your Stripe account, giving your customers more payment options and empowering them to buy now and pay later.